Look over there. It's a bird. And there goes a butterfly fluttering by. And there's, it's what looks like it's a Barney!
Oh, hi, everybody. Oh, it's great to see you. So, what did you see through the telescope?
We've seen all kinds of different animals, like birds and butterflies and friends. And there's another one.
Hi! Hi, everybody.
Hi there, Red.
Hello.
Would you like to help us look for animals in the park?
Oh, yeah, thanks. Sounds like fun.
Oh, I think I see another animal.
Oh, where, Barney?
Right under that tree.
Oh, wowzer. Oh, it's a little turtle. Oh, hi, Guy.
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. He swam in a puddle, he climbed on a rock. Oh, yes, he did. Well, he snapped at a mosquito, he snapped at a flea, he snapped at a minnow, and he snapped at me. Oh, my. He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Oh, boy.
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. He swam in a puddle, he climbed on a rock.
He snapped at a mosquito. He snapped at a flea.
He snapped at a minnow.
And he snapped at me. Oh, no.
He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Yep.
Whoa.
Oh.
Let's see if we can go find any more animals. Race back to the
Sounds like
telescope.
fun.
Hey, there's Rachel.
Hi, Barney. Hi, Rip.
Hi, Rachel.
Would you like to see my new music box?
Oh,
Sure.
yeah.
Great.
Whoa.
There it is. Oh, my. Oh, so what are these pictures on your music box?
It's some animals.
You know, we have animals like these right here in the park.
Uh-huh. There's a bunny.
Oh, awesome.
Cute.
But, what's all that on the ground?
Oh, that's just some stuff that came in the box. Do you want to listen to the music that it plays?
Maybe we should pick these things up first.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll get those in a minute. Come on, let's go inside and listen to it where it's quiet.
Okay.
All right.
Come on, Riff.
I'm coming.
Rachel, you seem tired today.
I am. I stayed up late listening to my music box. Come on, let's go inside.
Well,
Okay, here you go.
Doesn't it sound pretty?
Oh, it sure does.
I really like your music box.
Me too.
Thanks.
Oh,
Boy, I'm really sleepy. Maybe I will take a nap.
that's a good idea. Okay. There you go.
Barney? Riff? Where are you? Where'd everybody go? Am I dreaming? Hello? Anybody out here?
My, would you look at this mess?
You can talk? You're a turtle, and you're talking.
Of course I can talk.
Turtles can't talk. I don't believe it.
Well, I don't believe someone littered in my home. Would you look at this mess?
Who did this? Look at all this trash.
You can talk too?
Hello, Rachel.
Oh, Barney, these animals can talk.
Yes, I know.
This park's full of all kinds of amazing animals. Come on, let me show you around. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet everybody.
Oh, boy.
Ribbit.
Oh, Hello, Mrs. Frog.
We're introducing Rachel to all the animals who live here in the park.
Well, I know where there are lots of animals.
Where?
Over in the meadow. Follow me. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother frog and her little froggy one.
Croak said the mother, I croak said the one.
So they croaked and they croaked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, in the stream so blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishies too.
Swim said the mother, we swim said the two.
So they swam and they swam in the stream so blue. Over in the meadow, on the branch of a tree, lived an old mother bird and her little birdies three.
Sing said the mother, we sing said the three.
So they sang and they sang on the branch of the tree.
Ribbit,
Thank you for introducing us to all your friends who live in the meadow.
you're welcome. Say, you wouldn't know who left this litter here, would you?
Well, actually,
Are you all right, Mrs. Duck?
Just look at this, Barney. Look what someone's done to our beautiful pond.
yeah, that was me, actually. I'm really sorry. I meant to clean it up, but
Please, do. What if one of my ducklings ate this? They'd get sick. Sick.
oh, I guess I never thought of that.
That's another reason we have to keep the park nice and clean.
That's right. The ducks need a clean pond to paddle around in. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do.
I'm sorry about messing up your home. I'll never do it again, ever.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Ribbit, thanks.
You see, Rachel, we have to remember that we share this park with some very special friends.
I understand now, Barney. I'll clean this up right away.
I can help if you'd like.
Thanks, Rip. That'd be great.
Yay!
The earth is our home, lovely and green. Let's keep it tidy, you know what that means. You make it messy, you make it clean. Pick up your part of the world. Oh.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world. Playing in nature is always such fun. 'Cause I love the forest, the rivers, the sun. But if there's a mess, there's work to be done. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Here on the planet, we don't live alone. So always be careful wherever you roam. The forest you visit is somebody's home. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Rachel, wake up! Guys? Barney?
Did you have a nice nap?
I just had the strangest dream.
Oh?
I dreamt that I met all the animals who lived in the park. And they talked and everything.
Well, that sounds like a fun dream.
It was. And you were there, Barney? And you too, Riff. And you even helped me clean up the mess I made.
I'm sure all the animals really liked that.
They did.
Oh, isn't it wonderful to know that we have all these animal friends around us every day? And taking care of our friends shows them just how much we love them. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me
I better go clean up that trash for real this time.
Oh, do you need any help, Rachel?
Sure, Riff, that'd be great. Thanks. Come on, guys. See you, Barney.
All right.
too? Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye now.
Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Coming up later, it's Play With Me, Sesame. But first, it's our friend Thomas, next here on Sprout.
Don't go away. We'll be right back with more here on